In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unshare files on Google Drive, a handy skill for maintaining control over who can access your documents and data. Let's begin by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Google Drive. In the search results, locate either the first link or the one with the URL drive.google.com/drive/quota. Click on it, and this will direct you straight to your Google Drive where you can view your files. If you aren't already logged in, the next step will prompt you to enter your credentials. Input your Google account email and password to access your drive. Once logged in, take a look at your files and decide which one you'd like to unshare. You can do this by either clicking on the file or folder directly, or, if you're more comfortable using the right-click function, right-click the file or folder and select the Share option that appears. Alternatively, you could click the Share icon, which looks like a person with a plus sign next to the selected file. Now that the sharing dialog box has popped up, find the name of the person you wish to stop sharing this file with. This list might contain many names, particularly if you've shared this file or folder with multiple people, so be sure to select the correct one to proceed. After identifying the right person, click the drop-down arrow next to their name. It will usually indicate their current access level, such as editor or viewer. Once the drop-down menu is open, you'll need to select the option that says Remove Access. Don't worry if you're hesitant about making changes. You'll have the opportunity to confirm these decisions before saving. After clicking Remove Access, review your changes to ensure everything is correct. When you're satisfied, look for the Save button, usually located in the bottom right corner of the dialog box. Clicking Save will finalize and confirm your new settings. And there you have it. Your file is no longer shared with the chosen individual. It's essential to regularly check the sharing permissions on your Google Drive files, especially if they contain sensitive information. Always remember to confirm that shared permissions are correctly set to ensure that your data is only available to people you trust. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to unshare files on Google Drive. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.